Nagpur, popularly known as the Orange City, is the winter capital of Maharashtra. It is the third largest city in the state and the ninth largest urban conglomeration in India. The population of the city is about 25 lakhs. In a growing city like Nagpur that is going to witness a spectacular development in the coming years, it is important to have a robust transit system that provides mobility and sustainable service to the citizens. And Nagpur Metro Rail will come as a boon for all this. The metro rail system that is coming up in Nagpur not only helps the residents to meet their daily travel needs, but also makes the city more livable by relieving traffic congestion on streets, reducing pollution, and thereby improving the health of the residents with much needed economical boost for it with the transit-oriented development. The Nagpur Metro Rail project is a joint venture of the Government of India and the Government of Maharashtra, Nagpur Improvement Trust and Nagpur Municipal Corporation. The total expenditure of the project is estimated to rupees 8,680 crores, with central government contributing to around 1,555 crores and the state government contributing rupees 1,736 crores share in the form of equity and subordinate debt. Nagpur Municipal Corporation and the Nagpur Improvement Trust each giving rupees 434 crores share of the expenditure, while the rest of rupees 4,521 crores is being financed by loan. The project comprises two routes, which is the Automotive Square Kamti to Mihan Metro Depot and Prajapati Nagar, East Vardhaman Nagar to Lokmanya Nagar, Hingna. An interchange is proposed at Munje Square, where the two routes would intersect. This will be a state-of-the-art T-shaped multi-floor structure where the commuters would be able to exchange the routes. This station and all other metro stations in Nagpur will have proper parking arrangements with ample parking space for two-wheelers and four-wheelers. The parking lots will be constructed close to the station premises. Nagpur's population by 2021 is estimated as 2.9 million. It is expected that 12.21% of this population, that is around 3,63,000 commuters, would use the metro rail. The construction will start on both the routes simultaneously. The Corridor 1 or North-South Corridor will start from Automotive Square to Mihan. The length of this route will be 19.658 kilometers with 17 stations, all elevated except airport to Mihan city route. Corridor 2, an east-west corridor, will start from Prajapati Nagar to Lokmanya Nagar. The length of this route will be 18.557 kilometers with 19 stations, all elevated. Nagpur Metro will pass from the center of the road from elevated tracks. Hence, it will not disturb the natural infrastructure of the city. The tracks will be laid on the columns which would be erected in the center of the road. This will ensure huddle-free commuting. Now let's get into the metro rail station. The metro station will be 140 meters in length and will be fully covered. The entire metro station building rises 20 meters above ground level, leaving the existing roads and free spaces below untouched. The station is a two-level structure above the ground, starting with the concourse on the first floor and then the platforms on the second. A series of stairs and number of escalators are positioned on the ground level, which the passenger will take and reach the unpaid area of the concourse on level 1. After taking a ticket from the automatic ticket counters, passengers will move through the access control area to enter paid areas. There will be automatic fare collection system at metro stations, which is a closed system with automatic gates. For safety of the passengers, security guards will conduct security check at the entry gates. From here, escalators or elevators will lead to the level 2, which is the platform level, where the metro moves in. The platform level roof will be a semicircular shaped structure designed with the utility factors and the blend of aesthetics kept in mind. The average operational speed of the metro is around 30 to 32 kilometers per hour. The train will be fully air-conditioned. The train will run after every 12 to 15 minutes interval throughout the day, while during rush period, this interval will be reduced to 6 to 8 minutes. The capacity of metro train is to carry about 764 commuters at one time. For improving ridership and for the convenience of passengers, the metro railway shall have feeder bus service, which will ensure first and last mile connectivity. The feeder buses shall be equipped with modern facilities such as CCTV, GPS, smart cards, and it would be fully air conditioned. Metro will provide much needed respite from the scorching heat of Nagpur to the commuters as they will travel in fully air conditioned mode. It is estimated that Nagpur Metro will be completed by March 2018. Nagpur Metro is all set to change the face of Orange City into a metropolitan where the modern facilities will reach out to the common people on affordable prices. The Metro Rail is a futuristic project which will prove a boon for the next generations of Nagpur. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Metro.